Here's a quick look at the markets through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, July the 6th, 2009. We had mentioned after the close on Thursday, Friday being a holiday, that we were looking in around the 895, 896 area as possible resistance. And as you can see, overnight on Thursday going into Friday, of course Thursday night did have an overnight session, and there's a very short session, which is what I'm pointing to right now. By the way, these are all market profiles, and I divide them into the regular trading hours and the Globex. So this was actually what we were dealing with last Thursday, and here's what we had today. And of course, each profile has a market profile or a lettered profile and a volume profile. And this was the short trading day, regular trading hours on Friday. What we have here in the green circles are the lettered and volume profiles in the Globex sessions. So this is where the market opened overnight Sunday evening, had a good sell-off here, matched the low during the regular trading hours today. We're also looking at around the 887 area as potential support. You can see the market came down here and spent most of its volume in the overnight session, as you can see below it, opened below it, spent most of the morning below it, and once it had held and reestablished itself above it, it had a nice rally to finish off the day. So we're going to continue to monitor in this 895, 896 area to see if we can get some resistance in there. If not, the next resistance area up is approximately 901. And we can take a look now at the regular profiles. What we're looking at here are the profiles just from the regular trading hours. And so we're looking at probably 891 or so area to be resistance if the market should hold above this 895, 896 area in around here. And if it can't, then we really do look for that 887 area, 888 to be tested here. So some support in here and resistance up above here is really the next major areas of support and resistance that we're looking at. So approximately 887 to 896 and then up to 901, 902. As far as our individual trades were concerned today, we had a number of trades as we usually do each day, and our first trade of the day allowed us to get short. We had a nice deceleration right here, so we're able to capitalize on that down move there. That market moved, or that trade moved for us a couple of points. We had another deceleration opportunity here, and this trade moved for us a point and a half, hitting our second objective, which we were filled on. We had one final deceleration right here that we did trade off of. It also easily hit our first and second objective, although we were not filled on the second objective, so we only took profits on half the position on that trade. Late in the day, we had a green patch here and new highs. This was the earlier high of the day, so we're able to get long just on a dip just in here and able to take that up for a couple of points gain as well. So we ended up with several trades today. I'm sorry, we also had one other trade off of this deceleration here, this down move, and so we're able to get onto that. It moved a point and a half for us, also not filled on the second objective on that, so only we're able to be profitable on half the position on that trade. So we had about 5 trades today, and all of them made money, so that was a nice day for trading, although the market really didn't do a whole heck of a lot. So that's really our outlook of the market on the immediate term. We like to take a look at those market profiles to give us a good feel for the intraday basis or day-to-day auction process, determine where good support and resistance are, and also what the condition of the market is in, and then drill down in time to our software here, which is based on a 1-minute bars, produces balance areas and paint bars, and we use that to go ahead and identify to the tick where our trades are entered and where they're exited. So you can contact us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com if you have any questions or comments. We'd love to hear from you, or just view our website for additional information, some other text and videos and so forth. So thanks for taking the time to view that, and that'll be it for Monday, July the 6th, 2009.